Hey guys, it's Brie the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry the sun is like in my face, so the lighting is horrible for this video, but at the end of the day, we are here to save money and we are here for some amazing deals at Walgreens. We have a lot of moneymaker deals and I'm doing all digital scenarios that you can do if you are using a spend booster. For spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash. There's amazing deals on body wash, facial care, oral care, of course, and more. So if you want to save money at Walgreens, as always, keep watching. And if you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second, hit the red subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new deals that you can do, especially all digital ones that anyone can do this week, which I'm super excited about. There is a printable breakdown linked below in the description box for you. And I am doing a free training for CVS talking about CVS CRTs. I'm gonna be doing the training on Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you wanna reserve your spot, it will be recorded, but the recording will be sent out to everybody who reserves. So even if you're working at that time or you're not able to make it live, no worries. Still reserve your seat below in the description box for that. My referral codes are all below and we're doing 6 Ibotta rebates today. So if you are trying to finish your swish bonus, sorry, that was a tongue twister. I believe it expires on Wednesday. So make sure you get your last final rebates in before then so you don't miss out on that $5 bonus. Mine was $5 for 24 rebates. So we did 6 more rebates today, which is amazing. Let's go inside so I can show you easy deals that you can do. So here's a great deal and an easy Ibotta rebate. So my store's not tagged for anything yet, but the Bic Soleil and the Bic Flex disposable razors are buy one, get one half off, and buy 2, get $2 in Walgreens cash. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these. That's gonna bring me to $9.73. We have a $4 off one digital coupon. I'll pay $5.73 out of pocket, or you can pay with Walgreens cash. I'll get back $2 in Walgreens cash and submit to Ibotta for $3 back when you buy 2. Makes your final cost 73 cents for both packages, which is incredible. The next deal we're gonna do is on soft soap and Irish Spring. So this is how you can do it all digitally. So anyone can do this deal. Come to Walgreens, grab 1 soft soap. This week, it is $4.99. Buy 2, get $5 in Walgreens cash. Then clip this $1 off one digital coupon in the Walgreens app. Then you're gonna come over here to the new bottles of Irish Spring. I haven't used the Irish Spring since they changed how they look. So you're gonna grab one of these. It's not tagged, but they're also included at $4.99. Then you're going to clip this $1 off one digital coupon. So for both of them, you'll be at $9.98 in product value. You have $2 in digital coupons. You'll pay $7.98 plus taxes out of pocket. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash, makes them $1.49 a piece. Here's another deal on soft soap. It's on the hand soap. So it's definitely gone up in price and the coupon has reduced a little bit, but it's still an amazing deal. So any savings is better than none. You can grab 4 soft soap. Now they are $2.49, buy 1, get 1 half off. They used to be $1.99, but that's all right. Buy 4, get $4 in Walgreens cash. So grab 4 of them, clip this 50-cent digital coupon. You'll pay $7.47 plus taxes. Get back $4 in Walgreens cash, makes your final cost 74 cents a piece. So not the best deal, but not a bad deal. And if you need diapers, there's a great deal on Pampers this week. So they are 2 for $20. My store is still tagging like as we speak, so don't worry about that. If your store is not tagged, you can always scan it on the Walgreens app. The app and the website have been a little funky today, so just be as patient as you can, but they are 2 for $20. It shows right in the weekly ad, and they're part of the buy 3, get a $5 register reward deal. So you can grab 2, clip this $3 off 2 Pampers digital coupon. So Crest is also included in the buy 3, get a $5 register reward promotion. So you can grab one of these Clean or Pro Health right here for $3. And there is a $1 digital coupon. So if you want to do 2 of the Pampers plus the Crest, you will be at $23 in product value. You have $4 in digital coupons. You'd pay $19 plus taxes. Then you'd get back a $5 register reward, makes it $14 for all 3 products. Another way you can do that deal is grab one of the Super Floss here, which is $3, and 2 of the Crest toothpaste that are $3 each as well. That'll bring you to $9. Clip this 5 off 3 Crest and Oral-B digital coupon. You'll pay $4 out of pocket, get back $5 register reward, plus submit the Pro Health to Ibotta for 25 cents back. Limit is 1. That makes your final cost completely free and a $1.25 moneymaker. The last option I'm going to show you is to grab 3 toothpaste. So again, it brings you to $9. Use the 5 off 3 digital coupon. You'll pay $4 out of pocket, then get back 25 cents on Ibotta for this. And for buying 3, it works with this 50 cent on 3 Ibotta rebate. That'll make them all free and a $1.75 moneymaker. Another oral care deal, as always, is on the Colgate. So you can grab 2 Colgate. They're buy 2, get $5 in Walgreens cash, and they're $3.99 each. Then clip this 3 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $4.98, I believe, plus taxes out of pocket. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash, makes them both completely free. I'm also gonna do the amazing deal on Cetaphil. So they are buy 1, get 1 half off, spend 20, get a $5 register reward. So I'm gonna grab this deep hydration eye serum for $21.49, and I'm gonna grab this gentle scrub because most of the other products are still sold out from last week. So this one will be half off. Then we have the buy 1, get 1 free coupon. This is my last one. It's from the 3/7 Save Insert, which takes off up to 20. So I don't know exactly what it's gonna take off. I'll let you guys know at checkout. And we're gonna get back the $5 register reward so we can easily make them both free. So stay tuned, I'll let you guys know how it works out. Okay, another great deal with Ibotta rebates is on the Compede. So I'm grabbing 1 of the Advanced Care and 1 of the Advanced Corn Care. This week, as you see online, they're $6.99. They're just not tagged. It also shows they're buy 2, get $5 in Walgreens cash, which is awesome. I do have 1 $3 digital coupon. So grabbing 2 brings you to $13.98. I'll pay $13, so $10.98 I think is right, plus taxes out of pocket. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash, then submit to Ibotta. You'll get back $1 for the sports medicine, limit 1, and a separate $1 for the Advanced Corn Care. So that makes my final cost $1.99 a piece. So I was just walking through this section and these caught my eye. They are so cute. Look at these come too. I actually bought some flip-flops from Walgreens. I'm not wearing them right now, but they're super cute. Okay, so this is gonna be one of my transactions for spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash. It is a digital booster. We also am doing the spend 20, get $5 register reward and the buy 2, get $2 in Walgreens cash. So total for all of these is roughly $34.16. Then we have, I'm assuming, $22.99 in coupons because I don't know exactly what the BOGO is gonna take off of that one. So stay tuned. I will of course share with you guys my receipts so you guys know what to expect when you're putting together your deals when you go couponing at Walgreens this week. So let me be the guinea pig for you guys. Okay, so I'll pay about $11.17 plus taxes out of pocket. I'm gonna use $10 in Walgreens cash because if my total is $34.16, I need to spend only $20 for the booster. If I use $10 in Walgreens cash, now my product total is $24.16. So I still have an additional $4.16 over the $20 mark, so we are 100% good to go. Then I'm gonna get back $2 in Walgreens cash, $5 in Walgreens cash, $5 register reward, and $3 from Ibotta, which is gonna make this 10, 12, 3, about a $4 moneymaker. Here's another option you can do, and it's all digital. So total for all of these products is going to be $26.96. We have $1 digital, $1 off, 3 off 2, and 5 off of 3. So we'll be left to pay $16.96 plus taxes out of pocket. Then we are going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash, $4 in Walgreens cash for the Colgate, $5 register reward from the Crest, and $5 in Walgreens cash from the Booster, making this as well completely free and a $2.04 moneymaker. You can also use up to $5 in Walgreens cash to pay for this to lower your out-of-pocket cost. All right, we are back in from Walgreens. Couple issues at checkout, obviously, with the glitches of the system. When I was putting together my deals with the Walgreens ad, and even when I was scanning products in store, some things were showing prices this week. Some things, I guess, were glitching and still showing last week's deals. So the printable breakdown is as updated as possible for you guys, but just a heads up on that, it was being weird. Also, I don't believe my $5 register reward for the Crest printed. I got the ones that said they were included based on the app, but like I said, it was super glitchy today. So fingers crossed they get that fixed by the time you guys go to the store and do your Walgreens haul. It also would not let me do anything online. Like, I was trying to do curbside orders. It wouldn't let me do anything. It kept messing up and freaking out. So I was like, don't worry about it. Like, I'll just go in store and do it in store. Other than that though, everything went great at checkout. So let me show you my receipts. I did 2 transactions today. The first transaction, I did the Cetaphil and the Bic. So the Bic razors actually, I guess, are $5.99 this week. They're not buy one, get one half off. So it's not as good of a deal, but still not a bad deal. And I wanted to do the Ibotta rebate, so we're good on that. Plus, I got $20 off from that buy one, get one free coupon. As long as I guess one of your products is over $20, then the full $20 is gonna come off. So that was awesome. And the $4 Bic came off. Used $10 in Walgreens cash, paid $7.95, including taxes out of pocket. Now, the $5 register reward that prints for the Cetaphil looks like this. So it's $5 off your next skincare purchase. So it's not really like a standard register reward. Last time a specific register reward like this printed, it still did scan for other products, but obviously I'm gonna try to use this on like another skincare product, which is always nice. I love stocking up on skincare. It's one of my favorite things besides laundry products to coupon for. So that's that. Then I submitted to Ibotta and I got back $3 for the razors. So my total cash cost for about $40 worth of products was $5. $5 including taxes, which is awesome. It was $4.95. My next transaction. Oh, and how many Walgreens cash should I get? Oh, no Walgreens cash on this one. Okay, so this one, I did pretty much the rest of my products. So I got the Compeed, the Colgate, Soft Soap, Irish Spring, Crest, and the Crest. They all ring in for the right price too of $3. So I'll have to call customer service and just kind of see what we're doing about that. $5 off 3 came off, Colgate came off, Soft Soap came off. The $1 for the Irish Spring did not come off, so I have to ask customer service about that as well. This is a $4 register reward that I used. Subtotal $27.94. I rolled $20 in Walgreens cash because adding all this up came out to $40.94. And I was using another spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash booster. So using this was fine. Paid $9.83 out of pocket, submitted to Ibotta, got back 5 rebates on this one for $2.85, which is awesome. And in Walgreens cash, I earned $19.20. So I used 20, got back $19.20. So I only lost 80 cents in Walgreens cash, which is awesome. So my total cash cost for everything today after my cash back from Ibotta is $9.19 plus taxes, which is incredible because we got about 60 $67 worth of products today, which is awesome. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment below. Let me know too what you guys are seeing about like issues and glitches and things like that with the system. Let me know in the comments what you guys are doing so that way we can all be on the same page, kind of help prepare as many people as possible for their Walgreens trips this week. Don't forget to smash the like button for me as well, and I will see you guys next time.